If you're trying to remove a GoDaddy domain that's currently hosted in Namecheap, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to disconnect that domain from your Namecheap hosting account quickly and safely. This is useful if you connected the wrong domain, no longer need it on that hosting plan, or you simply want to clean up your account and keep things organized. And if this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple website and hosting tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the hosting list option. This is where Namecheap shows all of the hosting accounts tied to your profile, so this is the best place to start. Click Hosting List to continue. Now you'll see your available hosting accounts. Find the hosting account that contains the GoDaddy domain you want to remove. If you have more than one hosting package, take a moment here to make sure you choose the correct one, because you want to remove the domain from the right hosting environment. After you've found it, click Go to cPanel. This will take you into the control panel for that hosting account, where you can manage domains, files, databases, and other settings. Once cPanel opens, look for the Domains section. In cPanel, this section is usually easy to spot, and it contains the tools for managing the domains attached to your hosting account. Click Domains to view the list of domains connected to that account. On this page, you should now see the GoDaddy domain you want to remove. Take a second to confirm that you've selected the correct domain, especially if you have multiple domains attached. When you find the right one, click Manage next to the domain. This opens the settings for that specific domain, where you can make changes or remove it entirely. Now look for the Remove Domain option. Click Remove Domain to begin the removal process. Namecheap will usually show a confirmation message to make sure you really want to proceed. When that warning appears, click Yes, remove this domain. This final confirmation tells Namecheap that you want to detach the domain from the hosting account. After that, the domain will be removed from your Namecheap hosting account. At that point, it will no longer be listed as connected inside cPanel, and your hosting setup will be cleaned up. So to recap, you log into Namecheap, open Hosting List, go to cPanel, open the Domains section, manage the correct domain, and remove it with the confirmation prompt. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.